This tutorial contains tips for using the American Journal of Occupational Therapy online. From the home page, enter your search keywords into the field, remembering, when needed, to use the operators "and" to narrow your results and "or" to broaden them. Use the column on the left to filter your results by specific criteria like research article as the article type. Other filters allow you to narrow your results further. Choose a label from the list of subjects to narrow your results to that specific area of interest. Click on your desired article's title for more information. The PDF icon allows you to view the article's full text. Selecting Cite from the Tools drop-down menu will allow you to copy and paste the article's citation. Be sure to double-check all copy and pasted citations to assure they meet the specifications of your course's required style. If you're searching for resources within the CINAHL database, you can limit your search to AJOT publications by selecting the field SO publication name and entering American Journal of Occupational Therapy. Once you've executed your initial search, click on the article's title, the Find It button on the left, and the link Check for the full text at the publisher's site to gain access to the resource. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at the library with additional questions, and good luck with your research.